Welcome back to Blue Harvest Toys. We've got another package come. They have put the address on the shipper, and and they put all the labels on the shipper. But we've got them off. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Luckily, there's just return address on the other side, which I'll take off. But we need to see what's in this box, don't we? What do you think's in this box? Wait and see. So yeah, we'll get rid of the labels, and yes, kind of tells you those are there. Star Wars: The Clone Wars, AT. Who's AT in the Clone Wars? Oh. Right, so we've got the cardboard out. I'm not really bothered about the shipper, to be honest with you. I do have a couple of Hot Toys without shippers, but it's nice. I actually do have the shipper, which is good. Yes, this is Ahsoka Tano. Finally, yes, I had to. I didn't pre-order it. I wasn't going to pre-order. I don't pre-order things, you know me. I thought that came off, but it is not the special, not the deluxe edition, but it is the mighty fine edition, I would have thought. So let's get that. The boxes are cool. The artwork on the boxes as well, fantastic. But we want to see the figure, don't we? I want to see the figure. Yeah, I say it is a used one. It is a used one, but there we go. Everything's in there. So we have all got lightsabers on. We've got the flashy blade lightsabers. Got extra hands. We've got the links for the hands, which kind of sometimes I need. Don't know what those are for. Maybe for the lights. I don't know. We'll find out. So yeah, we'll get it out of the box. Oh, so much stuff with these Hot Toys out. It amazes me how much you get. People say that. I struggle to get it out. People say that they're a lot of money, blah blah blah. They are, but they are worth it. They are. You get what you pay for, basically. And the thing is, you probably get too many accessories. I know that's me saying that, but you do probably get too many, but you don't use them all. But you can use what you want to use then. She's still got the wrapper on her head. That's good. We do have the protection at the back. We've got all the protection. So I think it has been on display for a short while and put straight back in the box. So we'll get the stand out. We'll look at the accessories in a bit. We need to look at the figure, don't we? Now I don't. You know me and reviews of figures, I don't tend to go deep into these, but that is obviously protruding over her body, so it's an obstacle for her to look up and down. But you do have the crunch mix. It helps. So yeah, this is an animated style figure, so you're not going to get the realism that you get with some of the other Hot Toys. But I tell you what, that is very realistic. Look at the eyes on that. Look at that. Very realistic. So yeah, quite a lot of movement actually in that head, considering with the, is it Lecky, I think they're called? Put it in the comments. I know you're shouting at me. So we haven't got clothing on our arms, so we've got seamless joints, which is always good. Always good. And that is kind of, it is material, but it's like a rubbery material on top. A nice material pants there, and we've got obviously the rubber skirt, what do you call it, with the plastic bits. It's very, very authentic and very, very good. So yeah, we've got the bendy knees, we've got knee pads, so we've got shin pads, we've got the boots, leather boots. Look at those leather boots, faux leather obviously, but yeah. And the click it, so you can pose them in any way you want, which I love about these. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to have holding the holocron, and put one of the characters have a looking at it like that, I think. But that's for the future. That's a bit. Not sure if that is a bit of damage or it's just weathering, because there is a bit of weathering, which is cool. So you've got weathering on an outfit there, and it's armour. So yeah, that for the. Let's put the figure there. Let's open the accessories. We'll get through these. I definitely I'd like to hold both the lightsabers. We've got, these don't light up unfortunately. We've got the kind of blue, which she did have blue ones when she was a Jedi, and then she had white ones when she wasn't a Jedi. I'm no Jedi. So you get two lightsabers, the long and the short one, which are very well detailed. Again, weathered. You got the shiny, but you've got the weathering as well. Absolutely fantastic. And you get the blade effects as well. So you take the blade out. You can take that blade out, put the blade effect in, as if she's using it. Not so sure about those, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna keep those in. I don't know if you can. There's a clip for a. Maybe that's what those are. Maybe that's what those are. You can maybe clip them. Yeah, I think that's what. You can take those out, put those in, and put the lightsabers. I'm trying to see if there's a hole. Have the lightsabers on a side like that. I need to check the instructions. I never check the instructions, you know that. So yeah, I think that's what those are. Those go in there. You can put the lightsabers. I'm trying to see if there's a hole where you can put those in. Doesn't seem to be, but we'll see. So yeah, I think we're gonna have. We can have both. So you can grasp both lightsabers, obviously. You can have both. I think I'm just going to put one in. So you got one using the Force look. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'd like to use that as well. than that. She's grabbing something a bit thicker. I don't know. We'll have to see what else we've got in the pack. But for me, for now, I'm going to take that hand off, put that in. That came off a bit easier than usual for me. So I think what she's gonna be holding one of the lightsabers, I think. Let's get that in her hand. Don't hold the blade. Now that goes in there. That's really stiff. That's really probably best to do it. Take it out, and then put it in. There we go. There we go. And then put it in. That's easier. So, what else have we got? What else have we got? Let's put that back in there, move that. Might need those hands in a bit. So we've got a cloak. Which is a pop cloak, which is pretty cool. Put that on, just to give you an idea. So at the end of Clone Wars, she's wearing that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah. No, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but for now we'll just. I might actually put it on. All right, we do have a thermal detonator, which is probably what that other hand is for. So we've got a thermal detonator, which is pretty cool. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look at it. I don't know. Answers on a postcard, please. What that is for. So we have. I don't know if that's a right hand, but I'm going to use that hand. Maybe we need a bit of a more clenched fist for that. Or I don't know. I think that's for the thermal detonator, but that could be for that. We'll see. We'll see. So we've got Yoda. We've got holograph Yoda. We've got holograph Obi-Wan, which is pretty cool. Hello there. That is cool. I like that. But I think we're going to have to use Anakin, aren't we? Have to use Sky Guy. Put that in there. And yeah, I'm going to have to read the instructions and see how that goes in there, because that is not going to stay in there. There must be a way to do it. I wonder if that is that's not. I don't know what that's for, but you get the idea. She's going to be talking to Anakin like that. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna have a good play and see what we can do. So there's the stand, which you don't really need because they do stand up pretty well. But oh, it's nice to have as a display. Let's get. Oh God! Right. So get that round there. that in there. So yeah, I didn't pay full price for this, obviously. You know me, I like to buy things on the cheap. Not on the cheap, it's not cheap, never cheap. Hot toys are never cheap. But oh, bloody hell, it's come off. So I will have a play around, and yeah, I don't think that's the correct hand. You get the picture though, don't you? Let's see if it... nearly had it then. You get the picture with that. That's it. I'm going to get it to stay. No, I'm not. There is a way of doing it, and I'm gonna read. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, that's good. So that's good. That's she's not looking straight at him. But did she ever? So yeah, I'm gonna have a good play around with this. See if I can get this cloak on. Read the instructions. They are here. I don't think they've been opened. They're still stuck to the box. It's like me not reading the instructions. But I'm gonna have a look and I'm gonna figure out all those little extras. Shall we have a look? Do you want to have a look at these instructions? They might not tell you. So Katano, caution. Do not exceedingly bend the arms or the legs or bend them outwards, otherwise the figure will be damaged. See, with the rubber arms there, probably not the best to have that in that pose for too long. Right, so you take the head off. You take the head off and you put the head in the cloak, then put the head back on, which I'm going to do. And that does look that you can get the. I was right about the lightsabers. So there's the swishy lightsabers there. Sorry if that's fallen off now. Swishy lightsabers. Right. So you take the trigger off, and you can put them on the sides, and then obviously the different Jedi. Oh, hang on. Oh, we can change their eyes as well. That's what that thing is for. Thingamabooba is to move our eyes about. So we can move our eyes. We can take a face off. Oh no, Westworld. So you can move our eyes, which is pretty cool. Avoid setting the figure in the same pose for long periods. There, just what I've said. That otherwise arms can be damaged. Don't let the arms touch with sharp objects. Fire or heat, or avoid material damage. Don't rub the arms with thinner, benzene, alcohol, or any other corrosive material. Might damage someone. Exactly. That's magnet. The face is magnetised to the back of her head. So there we go. We have found out what that little thing is for. I'm not going to take her head off just yet. 'Cause she's looking straight ahead, which is what we need. So there we go. Lovely Ahsoka Hot Toys. I am going to have a good play with this. I'm going to put it up with my rest of my Hot Toys. I'm really happy with this. I just lost Anakin. So I'm going to have a mess about, see if I can get her to hold that with any of the other hands. which are here. I'm just gonna think that probably be the best one. Yeah, that holds it better. So I'm gonna put that on there. The thing is, like I said, don't want to have the arms bent for too long. I don't like that one. I don't like that. Maybe have lightsaber in that hand and using the force with that one. I want to get maybe a lightsaber on a little lightsaber on that side. Let's see if we can do it. Can't get the bloody lightsaber out now. So it does say take that out. Take that out. There we go. It's this little thing like that. You have to be really careful with. The little thingamybobas need to get that out of there without breaking it. Good luck with that. There we go. So none of these have been used. Even though I bought it used, it's like it's not been used at all. I don't know why that is, but I think they're both the same. Look, they're both the same to me. So we put that there. Don't know if it's that way or that way. It might be that way. Yeah, it's that way. So we get that. And there then. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. So could have a reaching for a other lightsaber like that. Yeah. Lovely. Pretty cool. So yeah, these you can that's stuck in there now, so I could put that in there. Maybe have it an arm outstretched. Take this off now. These are coming off a lot easier than they usually do. I think this would have been a new one. It's the latest one I have, if you know what I mean. So maybe they've fixed the joint issue. Right, I need to get him in there. Again, it's a lot of messing, a lot of playing, a lot of seeing how things work and how things look best. So you can look at it. There. I probably do need to move her eyes. I don't want to take that. I don't want to take her head off right now. But maybe I will have a look at that. But yeah, absolutely stunning figure. So glad I got this. I did bypass a couple other Hot Toys that I do really want. Still want the Vader. I need to get the Vader now to go with the Ahsoka, obviously. And I still need the Doc Brown. But I do want the Yelena one as well, whenever that does come out. I've not heard anything since it got announced as to when that's coming out. So, yeah, again, I will play around with this, maybe take her head off, move her eyes, put the cape on as well, the cloak. So that'll look pretty cool. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you're in on the Hot Toys as much as I am. I wish I could get more, but it's just get them now and again when you can afford, and try and get them at the best deals. It's like these are going like £300-400 on the secondary market, but just be patient and try and get them at the best price. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my Ahsoka Hot Toy review, mess about with. We're gonna get Obi-Wan out. I should maybe put your order in there as well. Hey, they're cool. They are cool. It's like I said, there's just too many accessories. It's not. There's just enough. But it's just so much you can play with. So many different ways you can pose these, and I love them. And I will say thank you for watching again. Till next time, may the toys be with you.
Monkey on the car.
Monkey on the car.
Fuck off.